cleaned the camera doohickey, this thingy off for y'all because here's the struggle. You know how some YouTubers have like a bunch of different cameras? Well, I'm not rich, so I have kids. So I have one camera that has to do this channel, my fashion channel, and my kitchen channel. And what always happens, my kitchen channel steams it up or something, or whatever. It's a whole situation. So let's do a thumbnail real quick. That was me being sassy. You didn't see the thumbnail, so you don't care. But hi friends, welcome to the channel that you chose to click on, starting with Hot Mess. Welcome to 2023, where you're getting the real tea Rhonda here. All right, so first, before I forget, I want to give a shout out to my December winners. Your winnings have already been shipped out. You would have already received an email. Congratulations to Michelle, Corey, and Rita on my multi-winner giveaway. That was fun, and I may do it again. I don't know. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe, stick around. The coffee is flowing so well. Story time before we jump into my Boxycharm base box unboxing that was sent via PR. So I was drinking my coffee this morning. I do a big thing of it, and I was out of creamer. My favorite creamer is from Aldi's, and it's the no sugar, vanilla, whatever, sugar-free creamer. It's amazing. It literally, oh, it's my favorite. Well, I ran out, and I had to use a Walmart version. I was choking it down, and then I got halfway through it, and I was like, why? So I did place an Instacart order for more creamer. Had to pick up a couple other things as well, so I was like, why not? And by this point in time, I drank half of my coffee. So I dumped it out when my new creamer showed up, and now I am drinking more coffee. I probably won't be sleeping tonight, but it's fine because the focus is like top notch, okay? So anyways, if you are curious about this eyeball look that I have, oh friends, stay tuned, because your girl's got is it a dupe or just a waste of money? 2023, we're bringing that back hard, okay? So just FYI that if you have any brands that you want me to put up against each other, leave it down in the comment section below, because obviously I know of Alter Ego, C Color Cosmetics, but if there's more that you want to see, let me know, and we will bring that back hardcore, because I hear y'all, you want that back, so we're doing it. All right, so now that we're about 4 minutes in, welcome to the channel. We're gonna put my Boxycharm paid for, no, my Boxycharm PR box. Wait, we're not putting it up against anything, fool. You're unboxing it. You're right, okay. I'm a Gemini, so I'm allowed to talk to myself. So we are going to be unboxing my PR box. I am super excited. It's gonna be a first impression and everything, because I have no clue what's in it, other than this is what it looks like. There's a ton of unboxings already, so if you're with me, even after you've watched all the other ones, thank you, I really appreciate it. But this is the January box. Because it was sent in PR, I did not get to make my choice, which is totally fine. I did make a choice, and you guys are gonna be shocked at what I picked for January. So stay tuned. When my paid for box comes in, I will definitely be unboxing it, and then after I've tried everything out later in the month, I put them head to head. But I did want to say, yeah, never mind, scratch that. Don't know what I was gonna say. So here's the card. Oh, price is typically in Kentucky $31 and like change, almost 32 bucks for the base box. You do get to customize one item in here, and you do get a card, and this month's theme is so fresh and so clean. On the other side is all of the items in here, a retail value, and ooh, and a little information about each item. So the first item in here is by Elemis. This is a rehydrating ginseng toner. It's refreshing facial toner lotion. No, it goes into a different language. It's for dehydrated dry skin. It does have ginseng in here. That's awesome, because I'm going back hard with my tretinoin. I've been talking about with you all, so I am definitely feeling the dryness. So if you do want to check out my link down below, if you're interested in talking with a dermatologist and getting tretinoin delivered right to your door, there's a coupon for you guys. You're welcome. I know a lot of you all. Okay, listen, I'm not your stereotypical type of unboxer over here. I want to BS with y'all, okay? I want to chat. I want to talk to you guys, okay? I don't want to sit here, unbox, and go by, okay? But I know a lot of y'all for years have been asking me, like, how do I get my tretinoin, yada, yada, yada. And yeah, I get lip filler done, which I can't wait, by the way. Next week I'm getting my lip filler. Oh, I get so excited. I do it like twice a year. So, I don't want to hear about it. You don't like it, don't do it, okay? I love it. I love it. But anywho, typically from my doctor person that does my lips, that's where I get my tretinoin. Y'all, if you've ever tried cosmetic RX online, it's cheaper and it's the same mother trucking tretinoin that I'm getting from my doctor's office. Yeah. So anywho, this is the elements for all of that. Lord Jesus. All right, I am going to hear about it in the comment. Just know that I am not going to tolerate in 2023. You will get blocked. All right. Oh, this only has a $37 retail value. Only, as if I was going to buy it. Okay. $37 retail value. It's perfect for dry skin. It's nourishing. It's a treatment toner that helps to maintain the skin's natural pH without the use of alcohol or any other harsh detergent. So that is very nice. You know what I just started using on my skin? I still use my It Cosmetics micellar water, but I picked up the Ordinary's glycolic toner stuff, glycolic acid, whatever. I use it on my armpits and on my face. Obviously I do my face first, then my armpits, because that would be disgusting. But I like it. It's $10 at Ulta is where I've been getting it. Ooh, I was really hoping this was in here. Okay, so this is the Wonder Beauty Sweet Escape. Can I just tell you, I'm just so happy over my coffee and the fact I got really good sleep. I'm gonna talk again. Here it goes. I'm gonna tangent. So my husband, we always joke, we've been married going on 8 years, okay? We're coming up on our 9th dating anniversary, and I always joke, and I tell him as soon as he signed on that daggone dotted line for our marriage license certificate doohickey, that night he started snoring. All right, and so I was like, boy, I dealt with it. I was grumpy. Like 2017, 2018, 2019, Rhonda. I think I kicked him out of the room for a while there in 2020. I don't know, but I needed sleep. I was tired. He's back and he's got a CPAP machine. Well, this mother trucker, I said, you could come back in and sleep. I know, it sounds awful, but it worked, okay? So he's got the CPAP machine and it has been wonderful, okay? Girl gets all the beauty of sleep. Definitely needed. Like, a lot of you all were the ones that like really pushed me to push him to get the CPAP, so thank you. So anywho, he gets the CPAP machine, and I know it's probably because he's still probably getting used to it, even though it's been months, but he tosses and turns in his sleep. Well, for whatever reason, our freaking headboard, I think I figured it out. I think my headboard was hitting my nightstand. So as he's like flipping and flopping in his sleep, it wakes me up because I hear like the headboard hitting stuff, and I hadn't been sleeping good. And I'm like, husband, stop. Like, we got you figured out finally with the CPAP, and now you're like flipping and flopping and hitting and whatever the headboard. Well, he's like, listen, the deal wasn't that I couldn't toss and turn. The deal was I had to wear a CPAP. Anyways, long story long, I think I fixed it last night and I slept amazing. Not for sure how you slept, but I slept great. So that's also why I'm so like ding, 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 ding. No, that's just my personality. Anyways, okay. So this Sweet Escape, ooh, dang, okay. Wow. I'm sure you guys have already seen this. Now, I have talked about Wonder Beauty's eyeshadow formula forever, okay? Here's the thing. When it comes to Wonder Beauties, especially the shimmers, the mattes too, but the shimmers, a lot of the times, I feel like as we age, as we mature, texture really comes in hot with shimmers, okay? Well, the beauty of Wonder Beauty's formula is they literally put like hyaluronic acid and like nourishing whatever the freak in their formulas to make them buttery soft, and I wouldn't say 100% texture free, but you guys, they will literally look absolutely amazing. I mean, my stepmom had come over one time and she's like, I want to wear shimmers, you know, what do you recommend? And I had just tried out one of Wonder Beauty's. It was like their double dates. Like, look at that, their double date formula. I was like, you got to get Wonder Beauty. It's literally made for mature skin. It is just a wonderful, wonderful, oh my God, this shade is gorgeous. It's just a wonderful brand. And I feel like a lot of people give them a lot of crap because they're always in subscription boxes. But that's how I fell in love with them. I mean, look at that. It's a deep purple, but it's not going to look bad on your lids. I promise you that. So I will be back and I will definitely be doing a look with this palette. Oh, this is so beautiful. And I love these like mattes in here. Even though this is more of an orangey color, I love that they gave me this. That makes my heart so happy. So this I do believe is 100% brand new to Wonder Beauty. It's a $42 palette and it says send yourself on a sweet escape with this perfectly curated collection of matte and shimmer, neutral and bold shades that take you effortlessly day to play wherever you wander. So I don't know, I think it's really pretty. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is actually prettier in person, and I know I'm spending a lot of time on it, but it's my channel and I do what I want. All right, next in here we have Farrah 18-hour liquid liner. Now, for me, I am not a fan of liquid liners. I mean, I don't wear them because I feel like it just closes off my eyes too much, and I have hooded lids, so like there's a special technique you need to do and yada yada. I don't do it. So this will be gifted either to y'all or to Haley because my 22-year-old, she can wing like no other. So anywho, this is a matte black highly pigmented liquid eyeliner, and it's got an 18-hour wear, a $20 retail value. So anywho's, did I say that a lot? I'm saying that a lot. I don't care. I'm trying to be more positive affirmations. I normally like rip myself to shreds. We're not doing that, girl. Lovecraft Beauty Plasma Gloss. Are you for my lips? So is this new? It's a new launch. Oh, this is a new launch too, the liquid liner, and so is the Wonder Beauty. If I just read, it's that daggone hooked on phonics for me. All right, so Lovecraft Beauty, this item is a new launch, but I do believe we have seen them before in Boxycharm. Oh, dang, okay. Is it like an eye doohickey? You gotta read, Rhonda. Oh, it's got a seal. That's really pretty. Not so much my color. Let's see, let's read. It's an all-over iridescent bronze gold gloss. It's a multifunctional buildable gloss that adds a dewy bronzy iridescent glow to the eyes, cheeks, and lips. Okay, well, you know what? You sold me with being multi-purpose. Oh, I'm so glad I touched you. All right, let's see. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I would not put this on my lips. I would not put that on my lips, but I will most definitely put that on my eyes and my cheekies. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush I can't remember. It's orange. It's like a tangerine color. This has a bit more bronze to it, but it's gorgeous, especially in the summertime. Okay. See, that's the thing. I'm like, I'm not gonna touch it. I don't want it. Okay, I definitely don't want an eyeliner, but I'm gonna be shocked by this. I mean, that could be really pretty in the center of your lips too. I get funny about wearing like orangey colors on my lips just because, as we know, orange will bring out yellow that you didn't know you had. So that's beautiful. It's really comfortable too. It's not like crazy sticky, glossy glassy, you know? All right, so $18 retail value, and like I said, you could do your cheeks, eyes, and lips. And I really like, can you guys see? It's not emphasizing any texture. It's very smoothing. Do you guys see that? It is so smoothing. Ooh, okay. And then last in here, we have the Persona Cosmetics E-Balm. Ooh, and Manifests. I'm all about that manifesting. All right, so, you know, I'm always talking about candles. Martha over at The Good Candle has the Prosperity Candle. And I tell you what, I love that candle because every time I light it, it makes me like, sorry, that was really loud. It makes me go in hard about like manifesting and being grateful and thankful and everything. So, all of that to tell you guys, ooh, oops. Don't know why I'm smelling you. All right, you're a bomb. That's why I'm giving you a chance. Oh yeah, see? You just gotta swatch. So that was a lot of rubbing that I did to get that color, but that is absolutely beautiful. That's like a popsicle kiss kind of color, and I'm totally down for that. I mean, honestly, I think all of this was coordinated very pretty. I don't know if everybody got this particular shade, but if you did, I think, you know, with the Lovecraft Beauty and that palette, I think you're actually really gonna like all of it together. All right, let me pause it real quick and I'm gonna tally the total. My battery is dying. I'm gonna tally the total and then give you guys my final thoughts on this. Hold on, let me save the battery. All right, friends, I'm gonna try and hurry up before it cuts out. Totally, $139 is my grand total on this box that came in just under $32. My thoughts, at first I was like, ho-hum, but I don't think it's a bad box. I like the fact that it wasn't skincare heavy. We got one skincare product. The rest is pretty much actually 100% all makeup. And I'm down for that. You guys know that that's what I've been wanting. And so I like when they're curating boxes like this because I feel like each item legitimately made sense. The lipstick is complementary to the eyeshadow palette. This bronzing, glossy, multi-purpose functional doohickey is definitely complementary to the palette. So, I don't know. Good job, Boxy. I'm gonna say you did good. Because y'all know I can sit here and whine and complain and carry on. But, I mean, just swatching everything that we've swatched, I think I'm happy with the January box. So, don't forget, January 9th is when you're going to be able to jump into your account and make your choices for February. I'll be back to go over all that stuff with y'all. Definitely stick around and subscribe so you don't miss out on this Is It a Dupe or Just a Waste of Money. Make sure to check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls over there, and Hotmess in the Kitchen, where your girl's just a hot mess in the kitchen doing quick recipes and whatever. Check me out. Anyways, a huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to. And y'all, I appreciate you all bunches. Huge congratulations again to Michelle, Corey, and Rita on winning my December giveaway. I'll be back with more, so might as well stick around and subscribe. And of course, let me know what your thoughts are on this PR box. And have you already received your box? If I receive the premium box, I'll be back to unbox that for y'all. And of course, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, friends.
Here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the